Hello! So today I have a very, very special guest in my kitchen. My little JJ. First things first, the best thing on planet Earth, crispy Arabic bread, right? Have some? Well, you had most of it already. So we're going to be doing Fatteh'd Hummus, which in Syrian is called tis'iye. And actually, in Syria, we have it for breakfast and lunch and dinner and all the time. It's so good and it's so simple. Chef JJ, are you ready?
Yeah.
Whisk the yogurt. Exactly. And then we're going to add tahini, which is sesame paste. Go JJ, go. Bit of lemon juice. Go JJ.
Too much.
Is it? Oh, sorry, Chef JJ. There we go, some garlic. There we go. Mix, mix, JJ, mix. A bit of black pepper. I soaked these overnight for like 24 hours and then I boiled them forever until they became really, really soft. What you see is this brown, beautiful stock, and just add a bit of salt to it. Chickpea stock is just wonderful. Take our beautiful crispy Arabic bread.
And yummy.
And very yummy. So we're gonna put it on the bottom. Then we're gonna do some of this. Beautiful. So these are pine nuts fried in butter. Very simple, very yummy.
And you don't have to put it in the oven.
And you don't have to put it in the oven. And if you have kids like mine, JJ, look into the camera, inside. So if you have kids like mine, maybe put a little bit less garlic. If you're a garlic lover like me, put some more. See you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.